Injongo zalentlanganiso yecandelo lono-Taxi kukuzisa ulawulo lokumgangatho phezulu kwakunye nenkxaso yezimali karhulumente.
We share a common aspiration to see the minibus taxi industry overcome its challenges, adapt in response to the demands of modern public transportation, and ultimately to grow and to thrive.
Elicandelo lithutha umyinge we-68% yabemibeli kungoko urhulumente efuna utshintsho nolawulo lululo.
Given its financial size, formalizing the taxi industry is a vital step towards ensuring its contribution to the national tax revenue base.
Umngameli Ramaphosa umemelele uzinzo kulicandelo.
This lekgotla must be a turning point for an industry that is too often associated with disregard for the rule of law and the rules of the road, the abuse of customers, and conflict.
Nangona licandelo lidlala indima enkulu kuhambisa abemibeli umhla nezolo, kodwa limbathwe zizixholo-xholo.
As violent, unprofessional, and undermines the rule of law with impunity. This we must push back in terms of the decisions that we are going to take in this lekgotla. Unity in the industry is sacrosanct, and we must eliminate the perverse incentives for conflict and violence.
Umongameli wesantakho uthi balixhasa ngokupheleleyo iphulo lokususwa endleleni kweeteksi ezindala.
The taxi industry is fully in support of the taxi recapitalization program. And we want this taxi recapitalization program, as you have decided, DG and government, that 60% of this taxi recapitalization project is owned by the industry.
Lentlanganiso iza kuqhuba kude kube kumgqibelo.